Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to week 4's kit share for Kit Conspiracy. And we are going to be using the 49th and Market Alina collection. I don't have everything, but I have enough. So I'm going to start out with the Alina ephemera bits. It's got all this good stuff. I'm not opening it up. It's actually, my package has got a hole in it, so things keep falling out. But we've got frames, some oval, some rectangle, some smaller squares. We've got some little journaling cards. We have floral bits, butterflies, tabs, some little phrase stickers, more floral bits, and then some little background papers as well. So those are great for layering or whatever you're going to use them for, I guess. It also has these faux metal pieces. So lots of options in that. There's 71 die cut pieces. So I've got that to start with. I also have the, sorry, this is already cut out because I started working on a layout before I did my layout share. So this is the laser cut elements, and it's got all kinds of cool stuff. It's got these faux rubber bandy stringy things. It's got frames. It's got this window piece, little hangers, some hearts, some faux buttons, labels, stamps, some faux ribbon. Hopefully you can see like these things. Obviously some floral bits, some little torn edges there with some sayings on it, a couple other metal pieces. So that's really pretty. And these things are kind of cool. It doesn't look like there's that much in here. I will open this one actually. It doesn't look like there's that much in here because it's like a 6x12, but it comes with multiple sheets that unfold. So here's the first one. Let's see if we can get that all the way on camera. And then here is the second one. This one opens as well, if I can find the edge of it. And then the back of this sheet comes with this. And so it came with a second one of these, which I've already cut out. And I can't remember even, oh, it was a turquoise butterfly. So, and I've already used those because I was naughty and broke into the kit before I remembered to film this. I have the Alina rub-on transfer sheet in 12x12, which is pretty cool because you can layer the rub-ons, you can cut the pieces out, you can cut like just a little bit if you want it peeking out from something. You don't have to use the whole thing, obviously. It's got all of these like little water droplets, so if you are into really controlled mixed media looks and don't want to splatter, you could use these little bits as splatter and cut them out. Like, I'm not sure that you would cut all these little bits out, but like that little bit, you could cut some of them out. So got that. And then I've got the 12x12 collection pack. And so this is the front sheet. It comes with 8 double-sided papers, 1 of each design. So you kind of have to pick and choose what you're going to use. Let's see if I can tell how this is laid out. I think it's like this, if I remember correctly. Look at this first one. Okay, so it's side by side, I believe. Yep, side by side is how they do it. So this is one sheet, this is one sheet, this is one sheet, and so forth. And then this is the back side of the front, which is really cool that they use all the bits and pieces, so you get lots of little extra things that you can fussy cut. These are not already pre-cut for you, so you do have to fussy cut them. Same with the packaging on the laser cut essentials. I have this sheet, which is called Peekaboo. It's very pretty. The back side is this really pretty teal. These are great for doing mixed media. I like both sides. I'm not even going to try and guess what I'm going to use because I have no idea at this point. I really like this mixed media looking stripe. And they seem to have a lot of collections that have a diagonal stripe in them, which is kind of cool. This one is called Dramatic. It's got that dramatic circle on the side. And I will say on this one, I'm guessing I'll use this side. We'll see. This one is called Alluring Moments, more of that dark teal color, which is just beautiful. I like it also because it brings in like the actual more blues. So you can have like a wide range of what color you're going to use, whether it's like the more green color or the more blue color or the actual teal. And then this light blue color, which is really pretty. We've got this paper called Happy Dancers. And then we've got this turquoise on the back. Did you get to see that whole thing? I don't know if I had it low enough. I'm standing up so I can see the camera to make sure you can see it, but then I have to kind of stretch to get it down low enough. Okay, this piece is called Flirty. Very similar to this piece. Ooh, actually that makes a kind of a nice swag across there. Maybe I'll use them together. And then there's this pink color. This is the only pink in here, so if you want pink, you're going to have to use that one. This one is called Garland. And it's got the more plain, almost butter yellow, a little bit tan. This one is called Full Bloom, more of that light blue. And a coral color with a branding strip that has little stamps on it. And then this is the last piece. I can't turn it over because then you'll see the layout, but I will pop a picture of what the front side looks like on it. In fact, maybe I can show you out of this piece. It is this one right here. So front, back. And that one is called Exquisite. So that is it for my kit, you guys. I can't wait to work with it this week. Obviously, I couldn't wait, and I busted into it already. I'm going to be using a set of photos from my trip to Wisconsin in August, and so we will see what how much I can make out of it. So come back tomorrow, and our first layout share will be tomorrow at some point. See you then. Bye.